Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. So let's start. Libras, and this is a reading from 1st till the 10th of October. Your partner's current energy right now is Libra. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Libras. 9 of Swords. I feel like right now your partner is under so much stress, they are not able to sleep, they are not able to, do anything actually. In so many energy, anxiety, stress, some kind of depression they are facing right now. There is something that is negative in their environment. There is something that is not making, there's something that is not letting them sleep actually, making their life uncomfortable. Let me clarify the 9 of Swords. Nine of Swords. There is some kind of noise coming from the background. Please ignore that. Ace of Cups, 3 of Cups, the Hermit. Could be dealing with a Virgo here. I feel like they want to have a reconciliation with you, or they want to have a reconciliation in this connection, or they want to have a reconciliation in general in their life, and they're not able to do that, okay? And that's why this person is very stressed about the reconciliation, or there is somebody else in the equation. There is something that is not, positive in the equation, and that's why this person is constantly in this struggleful situation right now. Trying their best to reconcile with somebody, trying their best to have connection with somebody, but this is stuck energy. There's some kind of stuckness here in their energy. Things are not moving according to them, and that's why this person, he or she, is completely disappointed right now. They are experiencing anxiety, stress, depression, all kind of negative emotions. Let me see what's your current energy, Libra. Your current energy right now is Chariot. You're trying to move on. Chariot is the energy of moving on and having a very determined state of mind. You are very determined that you want to get something in your life, and you're just trying to move on from a situation, from a person, or from a connection. Or it could also be possible that you are very determined to get something from this connection or get someone in your life. Let me clarify the Chariot for you as your current energy. Let's see. The Chariot in your current energy, let me clarify. Queen of Cups, 2 of Cups, King of Swords. Libra, I feel like you are feeling love for somebody, and you are feeling like you have a soulful connection, a soulmate energy with this particular person, soulmate energy with this particular connection, with whomsoever you are connecting, but you are trying to move on from this love. You are hiding, you are concealing your emotions, you are trying to control your emotions for this particular individual or this particular connection, and you are just trying to move on from the situation where you are feeling lots of love, where you are feeling you have a soulmate connection with this particular person. You love this person, you care for them a lot. Still you are trying to move on from this connection. I don't know what the heck is happening, but you are trying your best to move on from this situation. I don't feel like you will be able to do that, but you are trying your best. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Libras. Their feelings for you. 6 of Swords. I feel both of you are in love and both of you are trying to move on from each other. What kind of stupid energy it is, I don't know. But this person is feeling like they should just move on towards a better future, and you guys should have a peaceful resolution of this particular connection. They just feel like they should have a peaceful connection, peaceful resolution of some kind of situationship that is going on between you guys. This person just wants to have a peaceful solution. Okay, they feel like there should be a peaceful solution. Although they're trying to move with you, might be in the future, they just want to be with you in the future as well, but there are so many things that they are carrying from the past as well. Past baggages are also here. You guys are not free from the past baggages, and these are here and haunting you again and again. But this person is feeling that they should have a peaceful connection or peaceful resolution to a problem that is created between you guys. Let me clarify the Six of Swords. This is the King of Pentacles, healing energy, the Star, the Chariot again. This person wants to heal the situation with you, to heal the connection with you, and they just want to move on towards a peaceful future. They feel like that this should be the course of action between you and them, and they feel like this should be the thing that should happen. The healing should be done. You know, there should be positivity, there should be happiness. Then try to move on. Why the hell do you guys want to move on from each other if you are so much in love with each other? What the hell is happening? I don't know, but somebody is moving away from somebody. Either you or them. There is an energy of moving away. And there's positivity as well. There's no, you know, I don't see any conflicts or fights or something like that. This is a mature decision of moving on. Let's see what will happen in the future. And have a peaceful solution or a peaceful resolution of a problem that might be, you know, a problem from a very long time. So this person feels like there should be healing. Again, healing, positivity. And they feel like you should just move on towards a better future, towards a better solution, or towards a better, you know, peaceful future of yours, of your life. This person seems to be very, very mature or understanding and practical and down to earth, I feel. I don't see immaturity here in this connection. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. Four of Swords. They just want you to take a break. They just want you to stand, you know, relax and calm down and just meditate. Just contemplate each and everything. Just contemplate every pros and cons. Just take your time and think about what is happening. This is what they want from you. They just want you to think about this connection, about this relationship, about this situation between you guys. Okay, they don't want you to rush into anything or rush into moving on or rush into, you know, having a commitment. They just don't want you to rush into anything. They just want you to calm down, be relaxed, and then understand what is happening and then react to the situation. Let me clarify the Four of Swords. Four of Cups and the Six of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. So this person wants you, Libra. I don't know why am I getting this energy that you want this from them. But anyway, this person wants you to come out of this boredom situation, come out of this confusing state of mind where you are constantly confused about the success of this connection, confused about the victory of this connection, and they just want you to wait for the right time. They are just feeling like this is not the right time, you know, to react to this certain situation or to react to this connection or to take this connection to another level. There is something that is not right in the connection right now, and this person just wants you to hold back right now, contemplate, think about it with maturity, think about it with practicality, then only do something in your life. This is the situation. This is what they want from you. Okay, Libras, let me see what this person is, you know, what is coming towards you till the 10th of October. Let's see. The High Priestess. I think there will be silence, complete silence between you guys regarding the decision of your life between you and this particular person. I don't see... I feel like you are going to listen to your intuition finally, Libra. You will try to listen to your intuition, and I will clarify what your intuition is telling you. But there will be silence between you guys. There will be, you know, unknown silence and unexplainable silence between you guys, right? I feel both of you are trying to move on. Both of you are just trying to move on and have a peaceful solution to a problem that might not be a problem at all, but you guys are creating this scenario where you feel like this is a problem and we have to deal with it. This is kind of difficult situation. Let me clarify the High Priestess as the potential outcome for you. Nine of Swords and Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords. Behind this silence, behind this, intuition kind of thing that's talking to you, you're very, very stressed. You are very, very stressed, Libra. You're trying your best to stop juggling between the past and the future, or the present or the future, or between two people at the same time, or between two situations. You're trying to conceal your feelings, hide your emotions, and not talking to yourself on a true soulful level. Not ready to listen to your own intuition, not ready to listen to your own things. You're just listening to your mind, and your mind is creating lots of problems for you. That is the situation that I'm getting here, Libra. You're trying your best to move on from a situation where you should stay because there is love, there is companionship, there is soulful energy. And I feel like there are two situations here that you are constantly juggling, in between. Might be two people or might be two decisions. There is something that is very, very important for you to understand, that you have to decide it. Otherwise, time is running, time is clicking, I don't know what is happening, but you don't have much time. This is the situation here, okay? So thank you so much, Libras, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.